6. Editing Workspace. Once you create your project, it'll take you here to the editing workspace. This might seem a little overwhelming at first, but let me break it all down for you. In the top left, we have the Add Media option, where we can add more media from our computer into our project. We can add graphics, audio, and even custom voiceover. Under that, we have the Project Assets. This will show you everything that you've imported into your project here, and all we've done at this point is add one video clip that we can see here, and then this will also show the entire sequence. Here in the middle we have the video preview, and here is where you can watch your video as you edit. Let's go ahead and preview this by clicking the play button. In the bottom left, we have the toolbar. This contains the core editing tools like the split, duplication, and delete tools. We can also expand our audio and open the control tracks down here. At the bottom, we have the timeline. This is where you build your video by arranging and trimming clips. Over to the right, we have the editing tools. First, we have graphics. This will allow you to add custom graphics. Then we have effects, which will let us add things like transitions. After that, we have colors. This provides you with a bunch of built-in presets you can use, or you can customize it however you want underneath edit. After that, we have speed and duration. This lets you speed up or slow down your clips. Then we have audio. This lets you control the volume of your audio and other advanced settings like removing background noise. Lastly, we have crop and rotate. This lets you control the positioning of your video. You can rotate it, and you can even scroll all the way down to the bottom to crop video clips. These are the key areas that you're going to be using throughout your video editing process. If you guys run into any problems, let me know in the comments and I will help you out. Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.